Click on the link below to get price. The 2-bike rack for car E2 is a game-changer for bike enthusiasts looking to transport their electric bikes safely and conveniently. Designed with a robust hitch-mount platform, this rack securely accommodates 2 bikes, making it ideal for families or friends who enjoy biking together. One of the standout features of this rack is its ramp, which simplifies the loading process significantly. The ramp is sturdy and allows for a smooth, hassle-free way to load heavier electric bikes without straining your back. The design ensures that even less experienced users can load and unload their bikes with minimal effort. The build quality of the E2 rack is commendable. Constructed from high-strength steel, it feels durable and can easily withstand the weight of 2 e-bikes. The powder-coated finish not only enhances its aesthetics but also protects against corrosion, ensuring longevity. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions provided in the manual. The hitch mount fits securely into a standard 2-inch receiver, and once installed, the rack feels stable and secure during transport. The integrated locking mechanism provides peace of mind, preventing theft and ensuring your bikes are safe while you're away. One notable aspect of the E2 is its adjustable wheel trays. This feature accommodates a wide range of bike sizes and styles, ensuring versatility for different bike types. The adjustable arms can handle wheelbases of varying lengths, which is particularly beneficial if you have bikes with different frame styles. However, it's worth mentioning that while the rack is designed for electric bikes, it may be on the heavier side itself. This could be a consideration for those who frequently remove it when not in use. Overall, the 2-bike rack for car E2 impresses with its innovative design, durability, and ease of use, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about biking adventures. It's a solid choice for those who want reliability and convenience in such an essential accessory.